Hey everybody, this is Todd at Driftwood Builders Roofing. This morning I'm going to talk a little bit about flashing. So when we replace a roof, that flashing right there that I'm showing, right there, so that flashing does not get replaced. And basically this piece of flashing goes 4 inches out over the shingle, 4 inches up behind the siding. That's what keeps the water from getting in at that what we call a roof to wall condition. So again, we do not replace that flashing. It's just not necessary. It's a piece of galvanized metal, so there's nothing wrong with it. And you can see here that this roof has been replaced more than once. So that hole right there is where a nail used to be. That right there is the head of a screw. So let me show you what that looks like. So in the past, and still a lot of roofing companies, most roofing companies today still use a nail because it's the easiest and cheapest way to go about it. Doesn't take as much time. So that nail on the left, that will eventually back its way out. What my experience tells me was about 10 to 12 years, that nail is going to back its way out. The screw on the right hand side, that's called a wood screw. It's 2 inches. It is going to hold in place. So when we replaced this roof recently, we used screws on all of the flashing. Therefore, that flashing stays in place for the life of the roof, which is about 20 years, without having issues where the nail has pulled out. That's it for today. Make sure you hire Driftwood Builders Roofing for a quality roof.